Alright, so we now have a website and a lot of configuration has to be done to make sure our website looks good to customers at the front end. We've completed the product, transfers, purchase order, and all that, and everything is in order. Next, let's take a look at understanding the dashboard. Over here, we have customers and also segments. Let's click on customers. Basically, what this is about is to help us keep track of customers' records and feedback, as well as help with interactions. In this section, we can manage their details, keep up with their buying patterns and preferences too. This is a useful tool in ensuring we market our goods strategically to suit our customers. We can see what people ordered, manage their history, and even group them into segments. Now, let's dive a little deeper into segments. Over here in segments, we can add the name of a product, see customers who have purchased at least once, email subscribers, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, customers who have purchased more than once, and customers who haven't purchased at all. In my opinion, segments are incredibly useful for remarketing and retargeting to people who purchased before or showed interest but didn't complete a purchase. This way, you can tailor your marketing efforts and be more efficient. I'll also recommend using an app to help you manage all these in a more powerful and efficient manner. There are plenty of apps available that can enhance your ability to keep track of customers' data and interactions. These tools can save you a lot of time and provide deeper insights into your customer base. Now, let's move on to the analytics section. This is going to show you more about your website and how people behave on your site. Here, you can find information on total sales, sales by channel, online store sessions, that is how many people visit your store, and a lot of other important metrics, including the device they use. Analytics can tell you what people are doing on your site, how many people convert to a customer and actually make a sale. You can see what's working well, what's converting and actually being more efficient. This data is crucial for understanding your audience and optimizing your store for better performance. Now let's talk about marketing. In the marketing section, you can create and manage your campaigns. As you can see listed, here are many marketing apps down here. When you click on View More Marketing Apps, you'll find a range of tools that can help you reach your customers more effectively. Take your time to explore these marketing apps. Each app offers unique features that can enhance your marketing efforts. Whether it's email marketing, social media campaign, or retargeting ads, these apps can provide the functionality you need to connect with your audience and drive sales. Remember, understanding and utilizing these tools effectively will significantly improve your store's performance. Regularly check your analytics to see how your store is doing, and don't hesitate to experiment with different marketing strategies to see what works best for your audience. By working through these features and understanding how to manage and optimize them, you'll be able to create a more engaging and efficient online store.